Filing bankruptcy is tough, but it doesn't have to mean the end of your home ownership goals. VA loans are built to support veterans through life's ups and downs, and that includes financial setbacks. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, I'll walk you through how bankruptcy impacts your VA loan eligibility and how to rebuild fast. Here's the truth. Just because you filed bankruptcy doesn't mean you're disqualified. VA loans are surprisingly flexible and forgiving, but timing, documentation, and recovery are all critical. You must wait a set period of time after your bankruptcy is discharged, called seasoning. You must also reestablish credit with solid payment history, and you'll need to provide all relevant paperwork when you apply. So let's break down those timelines. First thing we're going to break down are the seasoning periods, and I'll explain. So a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which is total liquidation, you must wait 2 years from the discharge date to apply. Some lenders may consider you after just 1 year, but only in extenuating circumstances. An extenuating circumstance is going to be something that was completely out of your control. You must have rebuilt credit and no new major delinquencies. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is the repayment chapter, you can apply after 12 months of on-time payments. You must have a court trustee approval to take on a mortgage, and the bankruptcy doesn't need to be fully discharged yet. If your previous VA loan was foreclosed, your certificate of eligibility may show a reduced or zero entitlement. You'll need to verify how much entitlement you have left before you can move forward. What most people don't realize is lenders care more about the story after your bankruptcy than the bankruptcy itself. Did you bounce back? Did you fix the habits that led to it? That's what the underwriter looks for. Now, one of my clients who was a Navy vet filed Chapter 7 bankruptcy after a job loss. 2 years later, he had a new job, no late payments, and credit back in the 600s. We got him approved for a $375,000 home with zero down. Another client of mine who had a Chapter 13 repayment plan, after 14 months and the trustee approved payments, we helped her close and signed her letter from the court. Another client was in Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the repayment plan. After 14 months of trustee approved payments, we helped her close with a signed letter from the court. Our process will guide you through the exact steps to rebuild and time your home buying right. Think of us like your VA credit rehab team. Bankruptcy is like a sports injury. You don't give up on your career, you rehab, rebuild, and come back stronger. Even if your seasoning period is over, you still need to qualify. So here's what lenders look for. Number 1, on-time payments since the discharge or during repayment. Number 2, reestablished credit. Number 3, your debt to income ratio and it meets VA guidelines. And number 4, sufficient residual income, the VA's unique buffer after all expenses. And 5th, bankruptcy documents, the petition, the discharge, or payment history and trustee letter. The more you can show you're back on track, the stronger your file is. So if you filed bankruptcy in the past, let's find out where you stand today. My team will review your certificate of eligibility and credit, walk you through the exact timeline based on your case, help you plan a path to homeownership with your VA benefit. So book a call confidentially. Click the link below, jump on our website at valoanguy.us, or schedule a call directly on the link below. If you served your country in the past, a bankruptcy shouldn't stop you from owning a home. My team will review your certificate of eligibility and credit, walk you through the exact timeline based on your case, and help you plan a path to homeownership with your VA loan benefit. Book a confidential call. Click the link below, or go to valoanguy.us. You served your country. A past bankruptcy shouldn't stop you from owning a home. Let's get you back on track together.